was so fun because we had such a long time. We had 1 hour to do such fun skating.
And the whole staff, everyone was so nice. And this one lady, she was so good at skating, and she actually taught us how to go backwards.
And she did lots of different tricks, and she kept them spinning round and round.
At the restaurant, and it's so cool. The Biscoff milkshake and the vanilla milkshake are the best.
This is cool merch.
The thing we loved about ice skating was that it wasn't flooded with people, and the rink was really fun, and it was just so fun. And the food was so delicious.
And now you're better for once.
9.5.
I think maybe a 9. But the only thing I thought that was bad was that that they charged you extra for getting a penguin if you didn't know how to skate. But we were like, oh, I didn't know that we couldn't get.
We don't need one.
So we didn't actually get any.
Thank
Bye.
you.